The school may request the reopening of the Create Teachers Salary Subsidy Billing Statement facility beyond the deadline for the creation of a billing statement. Select Service Requests in the navigation panel, then click Create Service Request. In the Reopening or Extension of Billing tab, click Send Request. When the dialog box appears, select the school year and attach a letter of request signed by the school director or principal. Click Send Request or click Cancel to close the dialog box. For updates, check the status of Service Requests page regularly.